So today I would like to see if I can activate a YouTube channel account from my Gmail account and then set up live streaming. And as I said, I do have a Gmail account set up and I will log into that. Let's just put my password in here. So I am in my Gmail account and I will pick from the Google apps, YouTube. Let's see what YouTube says. So I am logged in here. Let's go on to my channel. I don't have my channel yet, so it does create my name for the channel. I'll just leave this to the default that YouTube gives. So that's pretty much easy like that. I can add the channel art here. Let's see if it has some templates of their own. Yeah, I'll just pick something. I will not adjust the crop. You can do that later. I'll just update. I can do a channel description. So this is a test channel. Okay. Then here you can set up a YouTube icon. I'll just pick something. You can upload almost anything on it. Okay. So I'll just close that. Refresh this page and see if the icon changes. No, but it really doesn't matter. I mean, the YouTube channel is already set up, and the thing is that with the video manager you can just manage every file that you upload. Add a new file, you can always upload something, and basically everything will get onto your YouTube channel. Now, what I was really interested about on this channel is to see if I can live stream. YouTube does allow that. And I'll go into the video manager, live streaming. You can see it here is a beta, so they still have a lot to finish up. Country is Italy. Let's send a text. Okay. Let me get my phone number there, submit. This is actually the phone number that the message got. So I'll just dial in this 6-digit number. I'll submit. Good. I am verified and I have terms and conditions. Okay. I'll just tell them I'm very satisfied and I'm basically offline. So this is the first step. So from a YouTube perspective, I'm okay to do it. No, I have everything, and the most important thing will be here the stream key in the stream options. I can head this to reveal, it will hide, because using this stream key anybody can transmit using this account. Cards, I don't really need that right now, it's just for testing. You can add description, everything, or even go to the advanced settings. There's quite a few things that you can set up here. It's pretty similar to the same settings that you can add to the videos you upload. So I'll just close this here. Okay. Now, what we're missing right now, and I honestly do not see him here. Okay, this is what I was looking for. The live stream checking list. Because the first thing we have to do is set up the encoding software. Okay, so we'll go to the guide for encoding. There are different live verified device softwares. These can be really interesting, especially for Android, Windows, Mac. The one that I'm trying to see is this free and open software. You know, the open broadcast software. I want to try this one here. So we'll get the OBS Studio for Windows 7, 8, 10. Let's just have this upload, download, Ctrl J for downloads in Chrome. So we'll just have to wait for this. I will skip forward so you don't have to wait for the whole download. So the download finished. Let's show in folder, double click, approve, and let's try to proceed with that. So first thing we get is that the system is missing some routine components. We'll have them download. As you can see, we are directly guided to Microsoft. Let's hit download and I'll just pick these two. Now I do have a 64-bit system, so probably the 64 version will be enough, but just to make sure, we'll just install them both. So I'll have this download. And as you can see, the installer just stopped. So let's just install these. Visual C++ 2013. Successful. Let's install the 32-bit too. Because you never know, these might be useful to have them both. I mean, they don't seem to be too big. So let's just try the installation again. Yes. Next. It does agree. Installation seems to be running okay now. I have seen this in the past, asking also from Microsoft DirectX 90C. And for that, in case it needs that, we could just search on Google Microsoft DirectX 90C download. You just hit on that link. Usually the software, so we just use English, and we can just use this. Now we don't want the MSN default homepage, so we just say no thanks and continue. We have a setup that downloads quite a small package, but it'll download all the rest of the material from online. You just install this, get through the end of it, and then retry the installation of the OBS. I've seen this being done on some systems. In this case, it seems it's fine, but just keep that in mind. So the installation finished, we can just run OBS Studio. As you can see, a license agreement. Let's just clear up some of these windows. Here's the list of what we downloaded. Software, set up live streaming, we can close that. Software did start, and I can already see some activity on my microphone. Now, we can set up multiple sources like my webcam here that I have, or you can just use your desktop. I will set up just a little bit of space here so my webcam, I can experiment with that, because I do have a Logitech camera that behaves pretty well. To do this, you just have to add a plus on the sources. Here we can choose which one is video capture device. I just named this so I will know what it is. It's a C920, if I remember well. I can hit OK. As you can see, the webcam is active. We can hit OK. It's a small webcam, but you can drag and drop and increase the resolution, no problem. I'll keep it here in the corner. And then we can put different other stuff like audio input. I see that's already running. So let's just place a display capture, which this will be my desktop on my Dell U2410. Let's hit OK. As you can see, this is a pretty good image. We can choose different resolution. I do have a laptop monitor on, so I'll just leave display 0 with capture cursor, and I'll leave this like that. I do like this effect. So first, as you can see, the software basically just allows you to start streaming if you want, but without setting it up, it's not yet ready. And of course, the display is on top of my webcam, so let's just place this. Let's reorder these two, and then you can see them both. And let's go to settings. We have here just some basic settings, but we'll go to stream. streaming services, not Twitch. I'm not that much of a gamer. It's YouTube. And primary YouTube server. Remember that stream key we were talking about before? We can go back to the streaming page, stream option, reveal the key, select this, copy, go back to OBS, paste it here, hit apply, hit OK, and let's try to start streaming again. So basically what we're being said that we are streaming right now. And check this out. YouTube says that we are starting and we are live now, even though this page still says that we are offline. But let's see, wait a second. So, and I can even hear myself here. So everything seems to be pretty much okay. We are live. We have successfully set this up. We don't have anybody watching. The elapsed time 26 seconds. So now that we are live, we can just go to our YouTube channel, see if this link released gets there. And even on our homepage, we can see that we have a live stream going on. 1 people watching, even though we even know who that is right now. And I can hear myself again. So to share this, you can just share this link, just like with any normal YouTube video, okay? The funny thing is that when you stop this live stream, a part of this video will remain on YouTube. You can decide later on in your video manager to download it or keep it. It's pretty much up to you. So it seems that our live stream setup was successful. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.